Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Holden Epica CDX TI sedan. Stock reference number 4103. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2007 through to the 12th month 2011. It has a Z20 SOIX 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Z20 SOIX 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has 2 small dents, radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, both need polishing. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door also has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard has 1 small dent. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.